we're talking about aviation forecasts. Of course, we talked about the terminal airdrome forecast and the area forecast. There's a couple of special ones that come out. The first one we can talk about briefly is called an Airmet. It stands for Airman's Meteorological Information Broadcast. And when there's some kind of, when forecasters see some meteorological event that might present a danger to small aircraft, including drones, they'll publish these. But it has to be widespread. It can't just be a very local thing. So if it's a condition that would affect at least 3,000 square miles for the next 6 hours or so, the possibility, then they'll publish what they call an Airmet. And it's have three different kinds. Is Airmet Sierras, which are mountain obscurations. In other words, the clouds are low enough to cover the mountains, and there's a concern that a small aircraft pilot might fly into a mountain. That's not good. Then there's a Airmet Tango, which is for turbulence. That makes sense. Just a moderate to light turbulence with surface winds also, which is even more important to us, of 30 mile an hour or greater. So if you see an Airmet Tango, they're saying the surface winds may reach 30 miles an hour. You wouldn't fly on a drone with 30 miles an hour wind. But anyway, then the third kind is a Zulu. So it'd be an Airmet Zulu would be for icing, conditions that would be be conducive to icing forming on small aircraft. So any of those three would be pretty serious for small aircraft and for drones as well. So that's the Airmet, Airman's Meteorological Information Broadcast. Only when those conditions are forecast. So it's a short-term, not regular forecast. It just comes out when needed.